Hi guys, welcome to this video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to use Trust Wallet with your Poocoin app and how to calculate your profit and maximize your profit. So see you on the video. Hi
Hi
guys,
guys,
so live
live
here
here
is
is
my
my Trust Wallet, and I'll simply take you through my Trust Wallet, and we are good to go. So live here is my Trust Wallet, and okay, so this is my Trust Wallet here. So I'll just so we use the D app section, this side. We use the D app section to navigate through. So remember that I'm using Poocoin. Poocoin is like Pancake Swap, but it does more than Pancake Swap. Poocoin helps you analyze like your Trust Wallet portfolio under the BEP20 or BSC tokens. Yes, it helps you. So on the Poocoin right now, let me just show you. So it does. Remember that most of the coin being bought are bought on the BSC smart contract. So let's type Poocoin. I easily go to my history. So let's see. Poocoin. Poocoin. Okay, I'll take you to. So once you're entering for the very first time, remember that you enter your Trust Wallet and you click on the D app section, and then you input. I'm trying to look for the right address here. So get the right address, and then we go ahead to apply. Okay, this is a Poocoin.apps. So that's the website. So I just click through. Okay, remember that I typed the stuff under the search bar on the D app section of the Trust Wallet. So this is what it's showing, guys. So in case you have not entered before, always put it at this side called DL6 Smart Chain. Okay, always put it at the side. So the amount shown there is not your profit. The amount shown there is how much the Poocoin is currently selling. There's a coin called Poocoin. So this is one of the things that the coin token is doing. It's helping you trade, analyze charts, and a lot of other things are still coming up new on the Poocoin platform. So they help you trade, they help you analyze, show you your trends. So here is my, you can see, here's my wallet. I'll now click to analyze what is on my account. This is under my BSC wallet. This is just what is here on one of my account. Okay. So this is, so in case you need to know how much. Now they also have some tokens that they are promoting. This one's called the Shaka Baga, Sabaga Inu, and all those ones, the other ones, they are being said to be going to be profitable. But do your own research to get in there. Right. So this side called the wallet. This side called the wallet. This side called the wallet. You need to click through it to easily navigate. Okay. So you click wallet. Okay, so under this wallet now, you will now see, remember that Venus is giving us an opportunity. Venus coin is giving the world an opportunity. Now you can actually buy units of Venus coin for just $44. So this is not a financial advice, but you can actually buy Venus coin for this weight. Okay. All right, so look at fake token. Fake token has actually still gone so down. Okay. All the coins have been dipping massively. Okay. So you can